Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Pisces water sign. This is February weekly reading and this is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa. So let's see what are the messages for you Pisces and what's going on. Water sign Pisces. Six of Pentacles. First one. Wow. Ten of Cups and Queen of Cups. Water energy. Hierophant, Page of Pentacles and Chariot. The Fool. Yeah, maybe you want new beginnings with your person. The Fool, you want to take leap of faith. Pisces, for some you are going with the flow, you are living in the present moment. Yeah, but what I'm getting here, I am getting here about relationship. There is brand new beginnings between you and your person and you also wishing for this. Okay, let's see your reading. Recent past, Six of Pentacles, Ten of Cups and Queen of Cups. Past, your person has strong emotions for you because Queen of Cups, they are very giving and caring person, and Ten of Cups, there is happiness between you and your person in past, and Six of Pentacles, I think there is no equal give and take what I'm getting here because one person investing a lot in this connection but one person not. I am not getting equal give and take here from this card. There is no equal give and take. One person is giving in this connection more than the other person. And yeah. Then present Hierophant, Page of Pentacles and Cancer. Yes, there is slow movement. There is commitment issues going between you and your person. What I'm getting here, there is love between both of you. There is no doubt about it. But there is no equal give and take. You both want this happiness. But one person investing more than the other person. Then Hierophant, Page of Pentacles and Chariot. Yeah, the person involved in this connection could be Cancer or Libra especially. So there are commitment issues going between you and your person. Maybe for some you are in relationship with each other but there is no commitment, but some communication is coming. Maybe you received from a message or communication from your person and they want commitment because the Hierophant. Yeah, you also want to give commitment but you are in very slow moving energy because the Cancer, the Chariot is here. Yeah, you want but you are not putting energy, your overall energy in this. You want, but it is very slow moving energy. There is commitment, discussions about commitment is going between you and your person, and you also want commitment. You also want to offer commitment and it is happening but it is very slow. Then future Justice, Queen of Swords and Ace of Swords. Yeah, maybe one person is very clear what they want. Maybe it could be your person. They deserve love. Yes, maybe they will cut you off if you don't offer. I think this is a mirror reading for Sagittarius. If you want to see that reading, please check it once. So Justice with Queen of Swords and Ace of Swords. Some communication in near future. Clarity is coming. You will get clarity from your person, and what I'm getting here, or you are giving clarity to you that you will offer commitment. Please give another chance to me, that type of energy. Or your person maybe cut you off that you don't giving any commitment to this connection. Then you realizing maybe you want to give Justice second chances. I am seeing second chances, new beginnings between both of you. Maybe in future there will be equal give and take in this connection. Lot of aces. Aces means Ace of Swords, new beginnings. Definitely there are new beginnings between both of you. Again under the deck, the Fool. Yeah. And Queen of Swords. Communication is the key here, guys. Definitely there will be some communication is going to be happen between both of you near future. You both will get clarity in this connection, what I'm getting here. Then Ace of Swords, new beginnings and truth coming out, clarity and success in this connection. So the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity. Ten of Cups, your person want this happiness with you. Pisces, You both have love for each other, but one person is giving more than the other person. That is the issue. For some, see again, all about love. Right now your person is not talking to you, maybe for some no contact situation. Four of Swords energy your person right now, and Princess of Cups. Yeah, they got clarity what they want. That's why they give clarity in past. Definitely they deserve best. They don't want any insecurity regarding this relationship, what I'm getting here. And Three of Cups with Ten of Cups. If you are in separation, in no contact situation, your person really want reconciliation with you, celebrations with you. They want to be celebration with, maybe for some you both could be friends also. Ten of Cups, they want this happiness with you. Right now your person undergoing some healing and meditation. They want to heal first. That's why they are undergoing some meditation. They are doing healing and meditation, but they really want to offer this. They want this happiness with you and long-term commitment. Long-term, they want to be long-term with you. They have so much love for you, Pisces. So let's see the near future actions towards you. Lot of cards. Lot of Emperor. Two of Pentacles, Nine of Wands, and Queen of Pentacles. Yeah, maybe your person is very giving and caring person. Right now maybe they are concentrating on their career too also during this period, no contact period. And Emperor, yeah, your person always committed in this connection. Maybe you both have some ego problems also. And Two of Pentacles, your person also juggling between head over their heart, but they're thinking about you a lot. Nine of Wands, even though they are in no contact situation, they're doing meditation, and Nine of Wands, they're thinking about you, but they're not showing it to you. Yeah. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on. Yeah, they really want to offer commitment to this connection. Their actions, but they're thinking about you a lot. Yeah, they think again. This could be long distance relationship. Under the deck, the Chariot, they want to take things forward. I think you both are in slow and steady process. I think you both are waiting. You both are taking it very slow because you both want each other. You don't want to miss again the opportunity with each other. That's why you are taking your steps very slowly, what I'm getting here, because you both are on the same page and they are also thinking about you a lot. Two of Wands, and again this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. And Ten of Wands, right now your person feeling overburdened due to work or family responsibilities. Some cycles are going to be end between you and your person. And the Emperor again. Definitely there is commitment coming in your way. Yeah, there is separation. One person is walked away, and under the deck, Five of Wands, lot of drama is going between you and your person. So they want to communicate with you. They're rushing towards you, communicate. Maybe one person is walked away in this connection. If you are in separation, it could be you or your person. And Ten of Swords with the World card, it's you, Pisces. Still you want rebirth in this connection. Yeah, still one part of you wanting this connection, this reunion with your person. Okay, and again for some the same cycles repeating between you and your person again and again. That creates so much resistance in this connection. Yeah, some communication is going to be happen between both of you in near future. But you both want the same thing, but taking things slowly, what I'm getting here. Because future energy is Justice, Queen of Swords and Ace of Swords. Definitely there will be chance for new beginning between both of you. So let's see your overall energy for the week, Pisces. King of Pentacles, long-term commitment. Knight of Pentacles, 10 of Pentacles, 10 of Wands. Yeah, you also feeling overburdened maybe, and stability regarding coming, and Knight of Pentacles. They are very sincere person and they're coming back with stability. They want to offer stability, and this offer is very stable offer. And King of Pentacles. Maybe your person is very abundant or already financially stable. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. Strength, King of Cups, Princess of Cups, 3 of Pentacles. Yeah, they really want to work on this relationship. They want partnership with you. Now they got clarity. They really have so much love for you, and strength. They are getting their strength. Maybe they are getting so much strength. Now they are very stable. They are very grounded. I think everything is about in divine timing. You both are taking it very slow. Be bold and make them first move. This is the message for you from Moon Oracle Deck, Pisces. So if you want your person back, it's the message from universe. Be bold and make the first move. Okay? Because things are moving very slowly. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.